Model 4 RC phase shift oscillator. First is a definition. It is basically a combination of inverting amplifier along with the ladder network used over here. This ladder network is a combination of RNC network used as a frequency selective network. This is a circuit diagram of RC oscillator. As you can see that this network is also called as a phase shift oscillator because it produces the sine wave as an output signal. This output signal has been generated because of the regenerative feedback obtained because of this RC combination. This regenerative feedback from the RC network is due to the ability of the capacitor to store the electric charge. The resistant capacitors feedback network can be connected as shown over here to produces the leading network and lagging network, or to interchange it as per the desired network. So as you can see over here, this sine wave is given over here. The output of this particular ladder network is the opposite of that. So if this is 0 degree, this is completely 180 degree. So by varying one or more of the resistor or capacitor in the phase shift network, the frequency of the entire ladder network can be varied. So according to this, all the capacitors to create that particular frequency to generate 180 degree phase shift, all the capacitors should be of the same value and all the resistors should be of the same value. So this entire circuit should be selected accordingly to generate a 180 degree phase shift over here. Later, this particular 180 degree will be given to the inverting amplifier over here. This inverting amplifier will be giving 180 degree phase shift because of the inverting amplification configuration. That is, C is inverting amplifier, so it will be giving another 180 degree phase shift. So basically the input is given sine wave and the output is nothing but again the sine wave. So it is giving us the 0 degree phase shift, or you can say or 360 degree phase shift over here. Okay, this is a circuit diagram representation. Next is the RC phase shift network. This is the internal circuit ladder network which we discussed previously. This network comprises of the RNC component used over here. By changing the value of capacitor and the resistance, we can create it at a lead network or lag network. We are going to apply the 0 degree over here to give us the output as a 60 degree. So as you can see with this capacitor charges, and because of the resistor used over here, we got the 60 degree phase shift. But actually, because of the by changing the value of capacitor and resistor, we can get the maximum of 90 degree phase shift. But to get the exact 90 degree phase shift of the RC stage, it is really difficult. It is very difficult. So we are going to use the three combinations of it. So actually we can use two combinations to create 90 to get total 180 degree, but it is very difficult. So we are going to use total three phase shift, three RC combination to create 180 degree phase shift. Next is, this is the vector diagram representation and this is the phase angle formulas. So according to this, Xc stands for, X is the reactance across the capacitor, is 1 upon 2 pi Fc. So to get the value of this particular actual frequency to be 180 degree, the capacitor and the resistors are the plays an important role over here. So this is the formula for this. Then we are going to have Z is equal to root of R square plus reactance square. Theta is the phase angle, tan inverse Xc upon R. So as you can see it over here, input is 0 degree. Okay, so input is 0 degree. So once the input is 0 degree, once it passes to the RC network, it is going to establish 60 degree phase shift used over here. Again, it is going to get we're going to get a VC1 voltage. Again, it is going to pass to RC network, it is going to get VC2, that is 120 degree phase shift. Again, it is going to pass to the RC network, it is going to get 180 degree phase shift. So to get this particular 180 degree output, we are going to attach you can see R and C values to be equal. It should be designed accordingly to get 180 degree as output. Next is whatever I said previously, that is, if three resistors are equal in value and three capacitors are equal in value, then the frequency of the oscillation produced by the RC will be Ft is equal to 1 upon 2 pi RC root of 2n. This is the formula of the, you can see this formula of the RC phase shift oscillation. Over here, n stands for number of feedback stages we are going to use. So as per the previous circuit diagram, we have used three feedback networks. So basically it is root of 2 into 3, so that is root of 6. Okay, so formula is equal to 1 upon 2 pi RC root of 6, where R stands for resistance, C stands for capacitance, frequency is nothing but it should be 180 degree phase shifted. Okay, this is a theoretical representation of the RC phase shift oscillator.